We'll guide you through how to always open a PDF file with Adobe Acrobat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have a PDF, and I want to make sure that it goes and opens up with Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's my preferred PDF viewer and reader, so we're going to guide you through how to do this. At the moment, when I go and double click on it, you're going to go and see that it goes and opens up in Microsoft Edge, which isn't what I want. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and change this. What you need to do is go and find a PDF. So I want to do it with this one here, and you need to go and right click on it like so. When you do this, you'll get a list of options. Just make sure you right click on it and not next to it. Find the option to where it says open with and hover over it and go to the bottom of the list where it says choose another app, and you need to go and click there. Now we need to choose an app to open this .pdf file, but we can go and set this as a default viewer for PDF files and opening app. So go and find Adobe Acrobat and you've got it selected. And then what you can do is you can go down and find the option for always. If you do it just once, it'll just do it this one time. And next time it will resume using the default app, which in my case is Edge. So we want to go and have Adobe Acrobat selected, and then we can press always. And it will then go and open up in Adobe Acrobat, and you'll go and see the icons go and update as well to it.